Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Dear students, I am Muhammad Aslam, lecturer in English, Government Imamia College, Sahiwal. Today, we are going to discuss our annual paper, question number 1, section number A. Question number 1 is very important question in your examination and it is related to your English book. As far as the sequence of this section A is concerned, there are given 4 questions. All these 4 questions are from your textbook of English. And you are given the instructions to attempt only 2 questions according to your own choice. And each question should be of 75 to 150 words. And the most important thing in this respect are the instruction from the examiner that it should be in your own simple English. So we can say that the examiner wants to know whether the students are able to translate or to respond in their own English language, in their own way, in their own style, in their own diction. So, the most important thing in this respect is that your focus should be to improve your self-writing. Because just to learn something and to memorize something and reproduce it in the examination is not the focus your examination. The main purpose of your examination are these questions is just to enhance your ability of understanding, your ability of producing according to the requirement of the question. So you should keep in your mind that you are not to memorize, you are not to learn as it is given in your books or in your helping books. The main focus is just to improve your vocabulary, to improve your self-writing, to improve your English. In this respect, you should follow some instructions that are given to you people step by step or one by one. For example, here is the question related to section A, the method of scientific investigation by T.H. Huxley. This question has 20 numbers, 20 marks, and you will have to solve 2 questions of 20 plus 20 marks. The way how to produce them or what type of instructions should be followed to get the maximum marks in this question. First one is just to read out the text. You should read out the text that is included in your syllabus work and try to find out the gist or the important information from those lessons. And after this, according to the instruction or the requirement of the question, you will have to recall the information of the lesson and to respond the questions. So, first of all, you will have to recall the information after reading the subject of the question. For example, the method of scientific investigation by T.H. Huxley. First of all, you should have to recall all the information in your mind, and after that you will have to go to the questions. Read first of all, read the question completely and comprehensive way. Recall the information about the questions or try to focus the point of the examiner that he expects from your side. Number next, don't misguide the answer. And number three, avoid unnecessary details. What is mean by misguide the answer? You should not cheat the examiner. You should give the exact figures, exact information, and accurate information according to the requirement of the question. If you would try to misguide, if you would try to dodge the examiner, it is your own loss. Number next, avoid unnecessary details. Each and every question don't require just to write down different types of words in English language. The main purpose of the examiner is just to find out the information according to your own knowledge that you have sought in your lessons. This is the main purpose which you people are required. So if you think that just write down different words in English language you would be able to get the good marks, it is your misconception. And avoid unnecessary details. My point of view in this respect is that you should focus on the question and the answer. It should be just like a live conversation or just an interview. When you people are asked in a question as far as interview is concerned, your response is abruptly. You don't go there unnecessary details. You give the important points, you give the relevant details. Same is the case in such type of questions. Your questions should, your answer should be according to the requirement of the question. For example, under this heading, the method of scientific investigation by T.S. Huxley, the first question is, what is the method of scientific investigation? You should consider that the examiner is sitting in front of you people and you are also sitting there. He is questioning to you people and you are there to answer. Just start. What is scientific investigation? What is the method of scientific investigation? And you should prove your viewpoint with the help of different examples. And the examples should also be very solid. And your English and the lessons that are given, most of them are related to science. So scientific information required accuracy. So your answer should be accurate and abrupt according to the requirement of the questions. Moreover, your writing style should also be very clear and vivid. You should focus on your questions and the answers. Try to avoid unnecessary details. So it is also a misconception that if you are able to write down different pages with the help of whatsoever you have in your mind, you will be able to get good marks. It is your misconception. So avoid such type of misconceptions, such type of unnecessary details. You should be very abrupt. It is in my opinion that some helping books are the some people suggest the students that they should learn some lines that are given in the opening lines of the answers and some specific lines that are given in the end of the questions, and between these two type of paragraphs whatsoever you have mind you should write down them. You will be able to get the marks from the in the examination. It is not fair. How is it possible that you are asked from where you are, or you are giving the answer that there is a city 50 or the 45 miles from Ukada in Pakpatan, and after reaching there and crossing the bridge of LBWC, there is a city, and that city name is Sahiwal, and I am from Sahiwal. If you people are asked from where you are, I am from Sahiwal, and the further details should be given at the end, or with the passage of time, or with the step by step. So, dear students, you should focus on your studies. No doubt, it is a very drastic situation because of the COVID 19. You people, even the whole nation or the whole world is bound to stay in their homes. So, it is a good step from the government of Pakistan that all the government institutions are instructed to to manage online classes. So it is for your benefit to follow this struggle. You should follow the lectures, and you should make the availability of the time as well as the utilize the time. Make your own timetable, give your time, precious time, your studies, because time is very important. It is not to rewind. So dear students, focus to your studies, be serious to yourself. If you are serious to your studies, it means you are serious to yourself, and if you are serious to yourself, you are serious to the nation. Okay, with the next lecture I will give you the next time, inshallah. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care.